friends, today we will discuss hardware in computer. Hardware means what? Hardware means the components of computer that we can see or touched. We can see monitor, we can touch keyboard, we use mouse also, we can just see the hard disk, we use CD. So all types of components that we can see or touch comes in the category of hardware. There are two types of hardwares, internal and external. Internal hardwares are the parts that are fixed inside the CPU box. First we will discuss about the motherboard. Children, motherboard is the main board of the computer system because all the main internal components are housed on the motherboard. That includes central processing units, memory cards, sound card, graphic cards, video cards, etc. Also, motherboard has a slots through that we can connect external devices like printer, speaker, monitor. Next is central processing unit. Children, in modern computers, microprocessor chips are coming and all the main components of central processing units are fixed on the chip, and that chip is fit into the motherboard, and central processing unit is used to control the flow of data among different parts. Also it is used for processing. Internal memory. As we know that computer used to stores the information and instructions. So there are two types of memories, internal and external, children. Internal memory has a two parts, RAM and ROM, and we will find out that on a motherboard RAM slots are also there and ROM chip is also fixed on the motherboard. Children, RAM means random access memory. This memory is used whenever we just start and use the computer, because the operating system, the program we are running currently and the data we are using is stored in the random access memory. ROM. ROM is also a type of internal memory, and children, it is fixed onto the motherboard. It is a non-volatile memory. Whenever we shut down the computer, light goes off, its content will not erase, and it is very important memory because to start the computer, the instructions that are required are permanently stored on a ROM. It stores the basic program, that is BIOS, basic input output system program, that is required to start the computer. Graphic card. In computer, graphic card is also very important, and that is also plugged into the motherboard. Children, it controls the information that comes on the monitor, how the pictures, images will display on the monitor. It is controlled through the graphic card. It has also its own fan to make it cool. Sound card. As the name is, it is also a card responsible for producing the sound on a computer system. Hard disk drive. Children, hard disk is a permanent storage device and it is a non-volatile memory. Mostly it is used for storing the operating system, our programs and important files. It stores data permanently and we stores and retrieve the data from the hard disk with the help of hard disk drive. Internally, children, hard disks are housed with the drive and then it connects to the motherboard. Another type of drive is a solid state drive, but it has a flash memory to store the data. Power supply unit. As the name is, children, this unit is used to provide the power to the different components of the computer system. Now children, we will discuss about the external hardwares. External hardwares are the parts that can be seen outside of the CPU cabinet. Sometimes they are also known as a peripheral devices. input devices, output devices and some storage devices are also coming in the category of external hardware. Children, input devices are devices used to enter data and instructions into the computer. Like keyboard is used to enter the information. We just use the keys to enter information. Mouse is a pointing device we use to select the options. Scanner, we use a scanner to input graphics as well as text onto the computer. Output devices are also coming in the category of external hardwares. We all know that computer is an electronic machine and it works on a IPO cycle. When we give input, data and instructions, CPU process it and give us output, and we get the output with the help of output devices. Output devices gives the information in a human readable form. Like monitor display the information like text, graphics, and there are various categories of monitors are available: CRT monitor, LCD monitor, TFT monitors. Printer is used to just produce the output on a paper, and the information that we get on a paper from the computer known as a hard copy. Laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix are the examples of printer, children. Nowadays laser printer, inkjet printers are popular, and some of the storage devices are also known as a external hardware like pen drive, CDs. Children, external hard disk also comes nowadays that can be just used with the USB port, and these storage devices we use to store our data permanently and for the future use. So these all are the components that we have discussed today comes in the category of hardware. Thank you.